Oh my goodness, the fridge.
Yeah, the fridge. A lot of old food, no idea who gets rid of it, but every few weeks it's just gone.
I've lost so many containers to that fridge. Mum calls me every day wanting to know where all of her containers are. I don't know where they go. Yeah, but Mum, I don't know where it is. No.
That fridge stinks. I guess the cleaners just have to throw it out.
Some of the food in that fridge is up.
Whoever's throwing that out must have a steel stomach because that food is disgusting.
There's so much free food in that fridge.
I've lost. I think it warms me up.